बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful wine crook decoration ideas. These are very pretty, these are very amazing, very stunning and very classy wine crook ideas for you guys. And I hope so guys will like this video. And you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. Guys, these are very amazing, very unique and very amazing and very latest and very classy wine crook ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning wine crook ideas for you guys. So guys, always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning wine crook ideas for you guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are super incredible, very amazing, very latest and very beautiful wine crook ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are super amazing, very unique and very latest wine crook ideas for you guys. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very pretty wine crook ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well. Guys, these are very amazing, these are very stunning and very classy wine crook ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so guys you enjoyed this video. So viewers, keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are super incredible collections for you guys. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.